Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to do a simple glow makeup tutorial. So do well to hit the subscribe button, like the video, comment and share. So with no further ado, let's go straight into the video. Thank you. So I'm starting off by priming my eye with the Pond's Lasting Oil Control to help control oil in that area. I then comb out my brow with a spoolie. I then draw my brows with the Davis number 18 eye pencil. Still fill it in with the same eye pencil. I'm cleaning my lower brow with the LA Ijele Pro Conceal in the shade Almond. And I'm using a flat brush for this. I then blend it out with my middle finger. So I use my foundation to clean the upper part of my brows. After that, I use my finger to blend it in. That will not be that difficult when applying foundation. I still use the LA Ijele Pro Conceal as my eyeshadow base, and I blend it in with my Damn Beauty blender. So I'm using just one eyeshadow palette today, which is the veebeauty eyeshadow palette. And I'm starting off with that brown shade as my first transition color and applying with this fluffy brush. So I'm packing it on my outer corner, then I blend it in towards my inner corner. So I use an orange shade still from that same palette as my second transition color, using it to clean any harsh lines. So I like starting off with a brighter color from my inner corner. Set off with that silver. And it should be in a patting motion, not dragging. Don't mind me. Then continue with those gold. I said we are going to glow today, so we are using bright colors. So patting motion, guys. So I went back in with that our first transition shade to clean the really harsh lines. So I had fallout while applying this eyeshadow, so I used baby wipes to clean it. So I'm now lining my eyes with a liquid liner. So guys, this is what I meant. So I'll just put it directly on my eye, then press it in, and that's the easiest way you can fix your lashes. So onto the face, guys, I'm using Nivea body lotion as my moisturizer. So I apply this all over my face, then massage it into the skin. it's good to moisturize, you know. That's something to protect your face before you put in any other product. So I'm using Pond's Lasting Oil Control as my primer. So I apply this all over my face, but concentrate mostly on my problem places. That's the area I produce oil the most. And I take my time while doing this. Massage it all over my face. I don't want my makeup to crease or anything. And this primer is very mattifying. So if you don't have oily skin, you shouldn't use this. So I'm using Maybelline Superstay foundation in the shade Coconut as my foundation today. So I'm using a dabbing motion. So I always say don't forget to blend in the neck. So I'm highlighting with the LA Girl Pro Conceal, the one that I've been using before. That's Almond, in the shade Almond. So I'm highlighting underneath my eyes, and as a beginner I should blend as you go. Should not leave it to dry. The bridge of my nose, my forehead, and my chin. So I'm using the Avour Professional Powder Palette to set my highlighted areas and for my contour. So I use my Damn Beauty blender, press into the sponge, blow out the excess powder, then dab it into the highlighted part of my face. So I use a darker shade of powder still from that same palette to contour my jaw, my face, and I'm doing this in a circular motion. To avoid any harsh lines. Contour my jaw, my forehead, my jawline, and I use a smaller brush to contour my nose. I love baking just the bridge of my nose, guys. I now set my entire face with a setting powder. I then use the classic mist and fix setting spray to set my entire face. So my favorite part, I highlight the tip of my nose, then blend it in with my middle finger, the bridge of my nose, my cubic bow, and my cheeks. So we are gluing all the way in today. So onto the lips, I'm going in with this very light shade of purple. Then top it with this very neutral color. Blend it in with my middle finger. Final look. Hope I delivered on what I promised. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, share, and share your thoughts in the comment section. Until the next video. Bye.